Hey friends, in today's quick JavaScript lesson, we learned how to format numbers to a specific number of decimal places. This is super handy when you're working with prices, averages, or measurement data. We'll use the toFixed method and wrap it inside a reusable function. Let's get started. The problem is simple. We want to format a given number to a fixed number of decimal places. It should round the number properly and always display the right number of digits. This is especially useful when working with prices or data reports. We define a function decimals with two parameters. First, n, the number to format, and second, d, the number of decimal places. We first validate that both inputs are numbers. Then we safely pass n and apply toFixed d to return the result of as a string. This keeps our formatting clean and consistent. The function works in four simple steps. Validate the inputs, clean the number, apply toFixed, and return the result. This allows even messy or string input to be safely formatted. Let's see a few examples in action. Let's walk through the results. Even the number 2.100212 is trimmed to 2 and 3 decimals properly. Even 2100, which has no decimals, gets padded to 2100 for consistency. This makes your output look polished in any application. From product listings to performance dashboards, you'll see number formatting everywhere. This tiny helper function gives you complete control over visual precision. Let's finish with a recap of what we've covered. We've built a utility function that safely formats any number to your desired decimal count. It's clean, quick, and super useful in nearly every JavaScript project. Give it a try in your next pricing or stats display. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.